The DREAME Z30 Cordless Vacuum is equipped with a high-speed motor, providing an impressive 310 air watts of suction power, making it highly effective on both carpets and hard floors. Its innovative dust reveal technology detects hidden dust and debris, allowing users to focus their cleaning efforts efficiently, while the vacuum automatically adjusts suction power based on the level of dirt detected. This vacuum excels in pet care with its dedicated deshedding tool, which easily combs and collects fur, and an anti-tangle motorized mini brush that efficiently removes dust and dander from furniture. With a long runtime of up to 90 minutes, the DREAME Z30 is perfect for larger homes or thorough cleaning sessions, ensuring uninterrupted performance. The vacuum's versatile design, featuring a flexible adapter, allows it to reach lower corners and tight spaces, making it suitable for cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles with minimal effort. Overall, the DREAME Z30 cordless vacuum offers powerful suction, innovative technology, and exceptional versatility, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a comprehensive cleaning solution.